welcome y'all back to the channel. So it's time to get back into the kitchen again. So today we're going to be making a Cajun baked catfish. So let's get our ingredients together. For our baked Cajun catfish, we are going to need some whole catfish fillets, some olive oil, and some Cajun seasoning. So let's get to the kitchen and start getting our dish together. What we need to do is we need to get us a baking tray, and we're going to line it with aluminum foil. And we're going to pour us a little bit of olive oil on this, and then we are going to make sure we get the pan covered because we do not want our fish to stick. So once we get that done, oops, make a bit of a mess here. Alright, so we're going to take this and we're going to set this to the side. And then we're going to get our seasonings, our Cajun seasoning. So I'm using a homemade Cajun seasoning mix. So if you want, you can use a regular off-the-shelf seasoning blend. I will post the ingredients in the video. Excuse me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our catfish on a large plate. And we need to make sure they are dry, both sides. And as always, whenever we're working with raw meat, we need to make sure that we wash our hands before and after. So now we're going to take us some olive oil and we're just going to give it a quick brush on the fillets. And then we're going to take our Cajun seasoning and sprinkle it on top. And now we are going to flip them over, and we are going to do the same thing to the other side. And we do want to try and get our seasoning evenly covered on our fillets. Come on. There we go. And then we're going to take these and move them over to our pan. And the recipe I'm working with is for 6 fillets. So this one over, and then the last one. And then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to brush with a little oil. Yeah, my sinuses are running from the fresh spices. I just made this batch this morning. Flip them over. I like the shampoo bottle says rinse and repeat. Rearrange the fish on the pan here shortly. There we go. Got all that done. Let's rearrange these just a bit, or we can make sure to get all 6 on here. Yeah. Almost got it. And there we go. Right. Clean that up. And we're going to sprinkle just a little bit more on here. Alright, so these are going to go into a 425-degree oven. And we're going to check on them in about 15 to 20 minutes and see where they're at. And once they're done and the meat is flaky, then we'll pull them out. Alright, so this has actually been going for about 25 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and get this plated up. Get us one of these. Oh my goodness. Alright. Try not to break it. There we go. Let's set this right here, and we're going to serve this up with some Cajun white beans and a little bit of potato salad. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. and always enjoy your time in the kitchen. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, enjoy.